So please remember that yesterday when we actually tried to do the unloading it could not finish it successfully. So please remember that the reason for this thing is that whenever if you define any activity area, so if it want to find a bin, hello. I think there's a lot of background noise.
Yeah. Can everyone please mute?
Okay. So I hope it's not from my side. Okay. Okay, so make sure that you sort the storage bins for each of the activity area. So you select your warehouse number and then the corresponding activity area and then sort those particular bins. Otherwise so yesterday for EHYD it could not find that the hot storage type. So that's the reason we could not create the final Putaway location. So just go here and then simply sort that these particular bins and then just execute it so that the bin sorting it will create it. So then only the particular the bins will be aligned to the activity area properly. So now today let's pack together. Sundar, are you here? Are there?
Yeah, I have just muted.
Okay, no issues. I just want to know it. So today, I just want to show you, through the deconsolidation, how I can do this thing. So I'm just going to create, the one more delivery. So I'm just trying to create, the new one. So let's have 315. So I just want to pack the about the the CUR and as well as the lines in one thing. So I'm just packing them in one particular the handling unit. So
can we pack the inbound delivery in EWM?
Yeah, we can do that thing also. Maybe for the next exercise, next document I can do that thing also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'll do that thing also. So I can explain you that thing also. So now the material got packed. There's a lot of background.
Now, what is the change you did, Srini? You in the
Okay, the thing is that make sure that because we added the new material which is we are trying to put it to the hot storage type. So for that activity area, make sure that you sort that the bins also.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so whenever you see, it's a very simple thing. Whenever you define any activity area, so make sure that you sort the bins for the corresponding activity.
Okay.
So yeah. Now so I just doing this thing. Now click the button. Save it so that the inbound delivery it has to create it and then it has to be distributed to that our system. So we created a new document 18 followed by 4 zeros 133. So this is the document. So now I just want to go to our SCM system. So want to check for the document. BAdI. Now just executing this thing. So if you know that already the document, we can always go find it out here. So 410, so SRMUR 315. So I just want to in the next exercise I'll just add the TU step also, the transportation unit. Now I just want to add a door so that I can start. I just want to assign a door for this thing.
Srini, this door is assigned always memory, or can this be also determined?
No, this actually has to be determined. So that actually we can just fix that thing when we go to the TO chapter also. So because usually I can put that the door determination based on the process type we can link it even that which door actually it has to determine it also. So if you go to the in the shipping and receiving section, there's a place for that the door determination also. So extended warehouse management, in the settings, for that the shipping and receiving, in the shipping and receiving, so here is the place actually for the access sequence, we have to just maintain it properly. So here actually for 1011, that particular door actually, I have to mention it, does it. Door 2 actually I have to mention it. Now, that particular, the door is assigned here. Now, I just want to, go to the particular, the handling unit. Now, I just want to start that the complex unloading. So I'm going to the follow-on functions. Unload. Now tell me that how many warehouse tasks it has to create it. If I click unload, because now the process is that see here unload and then the deconsolidation and then want to do that the put away also. So if my delivery has the 2 items, so for each of the separate item it has to create the separate put away tasks and one task plus one task from door to the GR zone also. So it has to create the 3 tasks. Now I'm just clicking the create unloading warehouse tasks complex. Now if I just save my delivery, so can you see here now? You got a message that 3 warehouse tasks got created. So let us see that what are the 3 warehouse tasks also. So this is our handling unit. So I just want to go to the the monitor. I just want to show you that what are the warehouse tasks that got created also. Hey guys, I think some very noise is going on. Hello? Is everybody's on mute or?
I am.
No, it looks Suraj is doing something. Yes, Suraj.
Suraj, I could not hear anything.
You better don't talk.
No. So
I think there is some issue with the internet connectivity.
Yeah, I think so. So now can you see here now what actually created is that we have we know that the curry actually we just want to store it in the final storage of the hot storage bin, and also the core this bins this the rice I just want to store it in that the cold storage bin, and then both are actually the packed it in one single thing. So you can see, right, so these two are the product warehouse tasks, and this is a HU warehouse task also. So this the one box which we got it, so this thing I want to move it from the door to the GR zone. So now so the first warehouse task we are just moving from the door to the the GR zone. So this task it has to be confirmed. So I'm just confirming it in the background, or you can confirm it in the foreground also. So now I'm just confirming that particular thing. Now what it has to do, as per the process control, now the door to the GR zone. Now a warehouse task, it has to create it automatically from GR zone to the deconsolidation, okay, the work center. A warehouse task, okay, it has to create it, okay, from the GR zone to the deconsolidation work center. Can you see here now? As per the process, we know that, okay, now IB01 got confirmed. Now the IB02 actually, a warehouse task, okay, got created, okay, from the GR zone to our, okay, the deconsolidation, okay, bin. Okay, so now I want to move the goods, okay, from the GR zone to the deconsolidation. Okay, so now I just want to, okay, confirm, okay, this particular task also. Okay, so now I just, okay, confirmed, okay, the this things from GR zone, okay, to the deconsolidation. Okay, now we know that, okay, our box actually, okay, reached the deconsolidation, okay, station. Now I just want to go and, okay, start that, okay, the deconsolidation. So please remember the transaction code, okay, for the deconsolidation. It is DCONS is the deconsolidation. Otherwise, okay, you can even go through that, okay, the menu path also. So external warehouse management at execution. You can see that, okay, the scwm/deconsolidation, okay, the deconsolidation in the goods receipt. So you can go to the extended warehouse management under the menu path execution, and then, okay, we can go to that, okay, the deconsolidation. So we need to select that, okay, the corresponding, okay, the work center. Okay, so we have only, you know that, okay, we only have only one work center as of now, and then you can suppose, okay, if your deconsolidation work center actually contains, let's say that, okay, 100 boxes, okay, you don't want to actually, okay, go select, okay, all the 100 boxes, okay, in the work center. So I just want to work only on this particular, okay, the box only. So I can just, okay, put the filter on that particular box. Usually, okay, this is the layout, okay, which will get it, and we know this already that, okay, how to control, okay, these particular screens also. So now these are the things, okay, which I want to deconsolidate it. Okay, so if I want to do the deconsolidate, so I just want to go to the deconsolidate, assuming that, okay, when I open the box, okay, I found, okay, the quantity is actually not correct also. So there and all, okay, I can even adjust the quantity, and I can even post that, okay, the corresponding exception code also, so that, okay, that can go and adjust the delivery quantity, and then, okay, send it back to the ERP properly also. Okay, so now usually the end user, okay, he simply goes and, okay, scans that HU here. So now I'm putting my HU. Now I'm selecting, okay, the first item, okay, whatever the things, okay, I just want to, okay, scan it. So first thing is that, okay, I just want to, okay, pack, okay, the rice, okay, so sorry, this is curry. Now I can, okay, suppose, okay, I can put it, suppose in our case actually the box contains only one item only. Okay, so you can put it like, okay, if the box contains, okay, the more than one quantity, okay, you can put it like, okay, the separate quantities, like, okay, one each of also, or all these things also. Okay. Now suppose actually, okay, how you can propose that, okay, the quantity properly, okay, for a particular warehouse task. So in that case actually, okay, even, okay, we can enable, okay, that particular, okay, the packaging specification also. Okay, now, okay, so I selected that particular quantity. Now I just want to specify that, okay, what is the packing material, okay, which I want to use it. So if you already have, okay, any of the empty box here, okay, in the work center, okay, you can use that, okay, the destination HU also. Otherwise on the fly you can go and create that, okay, the destination HU, so that, okay, the label will be printed immediately to you, and then, okay, you can use it, okay, for the particular box automatically. Okay, so now if I just click on the button, okay, execute here, you can see that, okay, the goods actually, okay, got packed it into this thing. Now usually, okay, if the box contains only one item, the system actually gives this particular message: the consolidation group for the HU is unique. Okay, do you want to write the consolidation groups to the header? I just don't want it also. If you want it, you can use it also. Now the other item also, okay, I just want to, okay, go and, okay, pack it. Okay, so the remaining task, okay, if I click on this thing, okay, the warehouse task, okay, now can you see here now, earlier, okay, the two tasks were available, now only that, okay, the remaining, okay, the rice is only, sorry, the curry, yeah, rice is only available now. Okay, so I just want to, okay, pack the remaining quantity. Now I just want to use, okay, the packing material. So for the repacking, okay, you can use, okay, whatever the packing material available, because in my case actually we transferred only one packing material only, so I'm using the same packing material, okay, to keep on, okay, create the HOs here. So now I'm just executing it here. Now, so from this particular HU, so this is our the original HU. From this box, I constructed two separate boxes, two followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 6, and then 2 followed by 4 zeros, 1, 7. So these are the two boxes, I constructed it, so once you save that thing, so for the work center, you can make the setting such a way that, whenever if the box becomes empty, whether the auto deletion of the empty HU is enabled or not, so you can make that setting so that, whenever if the box becomes empty, it will become automatically deleted, or sometimes, you may want to use, the reusable HUs also. Is it clear now? Sometimes, if it is a green tote or these things in the warehouse, you want to always reuse them. Is it clear now?
Will that carry the same number or it changes the number?
If you want, actually,
So
you can use the same number also. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can use the same number. Okay,
All
suppose
right,
let's say that you got that you got the materials into the warehouse, but everything you put it in one big container
Yeah.
to brought into the inside the warehouse, so that the same container you want to use it again.
For shipping. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So you can always make the setting that whether it is suppose whether it is always let's say that it's hard printed the plastic boxes. So that way you can use this scenario. So once you repack these things, so the only step that is remaining is that make sure that so once that the packing is completed, the guy whoever is doing the deconsolidation, he will be closing that the HU. So now this also I'll just close it, save it, because sometimes you cannot save it properly also. So just check it actually whether it actually so you can see that the IB02, you can see that the HU step got completed. Even for the 1.6 also, the HU step got completed. Now let us look at in the monitor also, how the monitor looks like. So now I'm going to the warehouse task. Now in addition to this particular HU, I just want to include even that our new HUs, which I want to monitor it. So what happens to the new boxes, which we constructed it. So I'm just putting it the other one, that new boxes, one is 16 and 17. So I'm just going to the warehouse monitor, and then if you look at here, let's see that what will happen at here. Can you see here now the IB03, which actually got created it, so the one, the curry, which actually we packed it in the new box of 16, it is going from the deconsolidation station, to the final storage of, the hot storage. And this actually going from the deconsolidation station, to the cold bin also. Is it clear now? So now, so this particular, the new boxes, which I want to confirm it, so now I can just confirm it in the background or in the foreground or whatever it is.
Can you select both?
Yeah, you can select both also. Okay. Now, let's take this example now. The cold 01, 01 here. Now I want to confirm this particular thing in the confirm it in the foreground. So what actually I want to do is that when I directly went there actually, now what actually I just want to do is that I just want to block that or I just want to change the pin also.
Hello Srini.
Yeah.
Why the destination HU is 2015?
Which one?
Here on this screen. On this screen itself.
Maybe in this current work center, there may be the default, if you go to the work center in the deconsolidation, or there may be a default, the empty HU may be lying here. So that's why the system always whenever if you try to go to that the particular see here if you want to see that why that 15 is there also, if you go to that let me show you again. If I can just log into the work center, /n/scwm/ okay, the deconsolidation. Okay, so if I just go here, I just want to see, okay, not here actually, the destination bin, okay, /n, okay, scwm/monitor, okay. I just want to go to that, okay, the handling unit. What is that handling unit? 2 followed by
4 zeros.
4015, right? Okay, so 2 followed by 4. It should be in this handling unit, okay, may be available in the cold 0101 bin. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear now?
Okay.
So the system, okay, always, okay, expecting, okay, that, okay, if the space is available, that, okay, you are going to put it into that particular handling unit.
Okay.
Okay, so
So that handling unit might be a pallet, right?
yeah. Okay, so here actually I just want to use, okay, the same HO only. So now what actually, okay, in the deconsolidation, okay, now assuming that, okay, my Putaway guy, okay, went into that, okay, the particular bin, okay, assuming that, okay, the bin is actually locked also, okay. So now, okay, he want to, okay, change this particular bin, okay, on the fly, okay. So now, okay, so if you just try to, okay, this thing, and if you simply try to confirm it, right, okay. Can you see here now? The system always, okay, throw an error to you that, okay, changing the destination bin, okay, is allowed only with the corresponding, okay, the exception code, okay. So anyway, we'll talk about that, okay, the exception code, okay, because this exception handling is a very big topic, okay, which we need to configure it, okay. So as of now, okay, that exception codes are not yet configured, okay. So you cannot, okay, change this thing unless, okay, you configure that, okay, the exceptions. We'll talk in the next chapter, okay, for the exception handling in the EWM, okay. So how and all, okay, we can use that exceptions, okay. So we can change the quantity also, or we can change that, okay, the quantity, or you can change the bin also sometimes. Now just confirm plus save it. So sorry, wait, I don't want to change it because system is treating it as change everything. Because, okay, if I want to change that HO also, okay, system is expecting, okay. Okay. Now, okay, the final, okay, the goods are actually, okay, moved it, okay, to the final storage type. So if I just, okay, go to my stock and bin, so I just want to go to that, okay, the physical stock, okay. So HYD underscore, okay, the curry. Now, okay, if I just go here, okay, so we packed it in that, okay, this is our, okay, the new HU, okay, so 04, okay, which we packed it here, the quantity of, okay, the 1 also. Now, so this way actually, okay, so these goods are actually came as a pre-packed also. I think somebody was asking that, okay, can't I do that, okay, the packing in that, okay, the directly, okay, in EWM also. So when actually that, okay, the first time itself, okay, I can still, okay, go and, okay, do that thing also. So which sometimes, okay, you need to do that thing also. So now I just want, okay, this time, okay, I'll not, okay, the pack it, okay, assuming that, okay, the vendor, okay, forgot to pack these things. So I'll just, okay, simply save them. Okay,
it's
so
not coming as a handling unit, right?
yeah, it is not coming as a handling unit. So I'll just show you the delivery also. So 18, okay, followed by, okay, 4 zeros, okay, 134, okay, this is our, okay, the delivery. So I'm just going to that, okay, the inbound delivery. So I can just search it, okay, based on that, okay, the ERP document number. So 18 followed by, okay, so 134 is our, okay, the document number. Okay, so first, okay, just let me assign that, okay, the door to this thing.
Somewhere it is open the document.
Yeah, I just, okay, let me put it. So now, okay, so if you just, okay, simply go to that HU, Okay, it will remain as blank, okay, because okay, it did not okay pack anything. So what you can do is that, okay, assuming that okay, you just want to okay create a handling unit okay based on the delivery note okay that got by the truck driver, so you can just simply okay pack it here. So this is just like okay, you can use any auxiliary material also okay to pack it here. So now, can you see here now, this creates a HU okay with that okay the internal number range. Now I just want to okay move okay both of my goods okay into that particular okay the handling unit okay which we directly created it in the EWM system. So 2 followed by okay the 4018 okay. So both actually okay got packed it into this particular okay the HU. Now save it.
Rini,
Yeah.
Rini, this is you're creating handling unit in EWM directly.
Yeah. Suppose okay, assuming that okay the vendor forgot to stop send the packing information.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm just going to the follow-on functions and then unload. Now I have that okay the HU is available. Now I want to start that okay the complex unloading. So the same,
echo.
yeah. Now I think okay once Naveen started to speak, then we having echo.
Yeah, Naveen,
Okay, so that, anyway that's fine.
you did.
Okay, so now if I just click that okay the unload warehouse task, okay, the same process only, it will create okay the 3 warehouse tasks only. So for the, you can see that okay this is our okay the HU. In this case actually okay this HU okay is a internal HU. Okay, 2 followed by okay the 4018 okay. So if I just okay save this thing, you can see that okay still that okay the 3 warehouse tasks okay got created. So the processes will be the same only. So if you just go to that okay the monitor, okay, I'm just going to the document and then okay if I want to show you that okay the warehouse task okay, then if I just put my okay the handling unit okay, now just okay execute it here. Now okay the door to that okay the GR zone also. Okay, now I just want to okay confirm this thing. I think for the hard storage type okay we have a setting that okay always addition to the existing stock is not allowed. That's why it's always proposing that okay the new bin each time. But for the cold actually it's always trying to propose it to the existing bin. It may be the capacity or it may be the, we can just check it also. Why it is actually okay proposing that okay always the next bin okay. So now the goods actually okay available from the GR zone to that okay the deconsolidation. So this time okay instead of okay doing that okay the deconsolidation okay in the desktop transaction okay, what you can do is that okay you can do the deconsolidation using the RF also. Okay, so what is the transaction code for RF? SCWM RFUI.
So RFUI.
Yep. So I want to do that okay the deconsolidation, the inbound process okay. See here okay you can do the deconsolidation. So first thing is that okay you can do that okay the log on to the deconsolidation station, or okay you can do that okay the deconsolidation okay the automatically also, whatever that option okay you want it. Usually I'm not so comfortable with that okay the RF okay. So what is our work center name? Is it Deco?
DKO.
Yeah, so these are all the things okay we have to remember it okay, because here okay the F4 help is not available. So okay now here okay assuming that okay a box is available here. So now once that okay the box is available here okay, you just need to okay you need to scan this particular okay the handling unit okay. Okay, you can see that okay then what are all that okay the warehouse, how many number of warehouse tasks are available also. So you can just see that okay what are all the list of the okay, the warehouse tasks also. Right? These are the warehouse tasks which are when the waiting to be deconsolidated.
OWT or open. Yeah.
Okay, open or it may be the open. Tasks. Yeah. Okay, so open or it may be the waiting also. Okay.
No, because OTS is 2.
No, yeah,
Can you
because
show-
okay.
can you show on the monitor, please?
Yeah, exactly. So that's why, okay, if you go to the monitor, okay, can you see here now, the system is trying to show, okay, these are the ones, 71 and 72. 71 and 72. Okay. Okay, so the warehouse task, okay, basically, okay, associated, okay, with this particular, okay. Now, what actually I have to select is that, okay, I need to, okay, select, okay, wait, stars.
No, press F3.
Yeah.
F3. Press F3.
F3 is okay, that's fine. Now,
Select. Keep
think
the cursor on 1.
yeah.
Or you can
Double click.
put 1 directly. You can
Yeah,
put
I think we
directly
need,
1 here.
yeah, exactly. We need to
One,
put okay,
one enter, one
yeah,
enter.
yeah, we need to okay put that together, enter here, and then okay
Enter.
one more enter.
Yes.
Okay, now that particular okay the issue will be selected. Now, okay, what actually if I want to do is that okay I want to create a new HU okay for this particular okay usually okay we'll scan everything okay. Now, okay, so we can see that okay the deconsolidation bin, and then okay we can see that okay the whole property and as well as okay the consolidation group also. Now, because these are all the buttons, okay, I need to remember all the shortcut keys also.
Enter.
Enter,
Enter.
enter. Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so PK095. Okay, F3 means okay, F2 or something. Okay.
See here destination bin he is proposing. So
Yep.
it's a decon 1.
Yep, yep. Yeah, this is correct only because in the deconsolidation bin, okay, in which bin, okay, yeah, this is correct. Now, in which bin you want to see, whenever if you create a HU, you need to specify the packing material and as well as okay the bin also. Okay,
System
now.
has created Putaway HU.
Yeah, exactly. Now, okay, assuming that okay he has okay the label in his hand. Now, okay, he can put that okay the quantity also. Okay. Now you just need to okay sorry, 2 followed by 1 2 3 4 zeros okay 1 9. Okay, and then okay the bin also. Now, okay. Okay, I don't want to use it. Okay, now same thing here also. First thing got constructed. Okay, same thing here also.
One.
Yeah. So usually, okay, you will get a count here. Okay, 72. Okay, the packing material, the quantity. You can see that okay, it's always creating okay the new handling unit, okay, 2 followed by 1 2 3 4 zeros, okay, 2 0, and then okay you can do that okay the decon 1. See usually okay these buttons and F3 F4 all these things, right? Okay, the clients usually will ask it okay based on their okay the RF guns, okay, what buttons okay they used to have it. Okay,
I mean, this settings we have to do.
yeah, in the RF framework.
Main, in the RF framework, yeah, main.
Yeah. Now, okay, so the deconsolidation is okay over. Okay, so now I just want to go back. Okay, see, I think go back is F7 if I remember it. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
what actually you have to do is that okay, then you have to close that okay the HU also. So you just go to the okay the HU. Okay,
4 zeros 18.
2 followed by I think it is 20 if I remember it. Okay.
19 and 20.
Yeah. Okay, 20, not this one. Sorry.
Yes, this one.
No, this is okay, but okay, I just want to close that HU, so not this one, menu path, okay?
18 you have to close.
Wait,
No, in deconsolidation only.
yeah,
In deconsolidation.
there is something, okay, for that, okay, the HU close also, so I think it was in the HU Oreo only, so,
Because the first time when we created it was 18 and the new 19 and 20 created,
Yeah.
18 should be closed.
no, 19 and 20, the new boxes, you have to close it.
Ah,
Okay,
Pune, how do you know that these HUs are not closed yet? Where would we see?
okay, so if you want to see them, okay, that, okay, then, you just, okay,
Monitor.
not that only that thing. Okay, you can go to that. Okay, see here /SCWM /deconsolidation. Go to the desktop. Just okay, execute that thing. Now, okay, these are the ones okay which we constructed 19 and 20. So if you go to the okay the 920, go to the detail one, you can see that okay this flag HU step completed. This is not its setup.
Oh, it automatically gets check mark.
Yeah, okay, so whenever if you construct the box, okay, usually in the desktop transaction, okay, we used to click this thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so even the same way, okay, you need to have you have a button, okay, even in the RF also. So I'm just okay looking for that particular button, okay. It is in that okay the okay 1 minute. I think okay it should be here. HU maintenance. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so that's why I know that okay in my last okay the project okay I just okay removed the extra ones okay so that I get it always for the deconsolidation guy only the 4 buttons only. So HU maintenance. Now 2 followed by okay, so this is the one. Now you just need to okay close this thing. Okay, so and as well as okay the 19 also. So usually okay assuming that okay one guy did the packing, okay other guy okay want to check everything of the box and then okay he's doing this activity. So I can just okay put this activity only that guy only. So he always okay have this screen only in his RF gun. Okay, if you can visualize this thing. So now 19, so 2 followed by 4 zeros, okay, 18 and 19. So let's okay now let us okay go to the monitor. Okay, we'll see that okay what happens. Okay, function F7. I just want to log off from the RF gun. So now okay, so now let's go to that okay the monitor.
Srini,
Yep.
Satya.
Yeah. Hi Satya. Just
I have one question here.
Yeah.
Why we want to complete HU? Any benefit is there if I will keep it open? What is
okay. Let me tell you that okay, if you don't close it, okay, it will not move to the next step.
But we are doing the good receipt, correct? So it will go to the my warehouse, same HU number.
No. See here, okay. Thing is that okay, assuming that okay, see here, okay, you got the goods in a one single box. Okay. Now in the deconsolidation, okay, you constructed okay these 2 boxes.
Correct.
Now
2 box means 2 HU, correct?
Sorry, yeah, 2 HUs I can say.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, now how the system, okay, now let me ask you the question that, okay, now I want to, okay, see here, okay, I want to send, okay, a information, okay, or okay, I want to send a work, okay, to a worker, okay, to move the goods, okay, from deconsolidation station to the final storage locations.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
It is clear, okay, good.
Okay, so when I want to start it, okay? Okay, so once I close my box, only. Is it clear now?
Clear, yes.
Okay, so once I close my box,
Okay. So means that only for just to communicate for next action point of view, correct?
exactly. Otherwise, okay, the box will remain at the deconsolidation station only. Nobody will ever know that okay whether you finished with your packing or not.
No, but think for it like take a real business scenario.
Yeah.
Like in the good receiving area, there is some packing station is there.
Okay.
Okay. And people will keep on coming doing the deconsolidation.
Okay.
After the deconsolidation, we are making from 1 to maybe 1 to 1 or sometimes 1 to multiple boxes.
Yeah, you can pack it okay as much as you want it. Yeah.
And this is happening by one person. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And same person is also getting a label printout.
Yep. Label print okay so that okay he can put it on the new boxes.
New boxes are here. And
Yeah.
generally the conveyor for that.
Sorry.
They have a conveyor.
Yeah.
Something maybe like maybe slope conveyor and all. And then box will automatically move to the next station point of view.
Yes.
For picking next person.
Yes.
I agree with you. Sometimes like you feel like if I will do that and then trigger it, understand that like if I want to avoid this step, I want to do in an automatic way. Can we
Yep.
do or not?
No, that's what, okay, the same requirement, okay, we got it in the last project. So what actually, okay, we can do is that, okay, once, okay, the new box is getting constructed, okay, see here, okay, there is actually nothing actually, okay, HU underscore, okay, I'll show you that, okay. Slash scwm slash, okay, the class HU management, okay, HU step completed.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a BAdI available in the Deconsolidation Work Center, okay. So just, okay, call this particular method so that, okay, whenever if you construct a box, automatically it will close the box also.
Okay.
Is it clear?
It's clear. So with this body we can do it, correct?
Yeah. Okay, so you need to call, okay, this particular method also. This was actually, okay, one of the requirement, okay. I can just, okay, show you that thing also, what it will do also, okay.
Okay, Bharat, I think that's sort of like.
Yeah. So slash scwm slash, okay, class star, okay, HU, I think it was M, okay, I can just. It was back, I think so. Okay, so go to this particular class, okay, and then, okay, you can find a method, okay, for that, okay, see here, okay, whatever the method, see, this actually even help for, okay, even for the other functional consultants, even for the technical guys also. So whatever be the operations, I am doing it on a box in EWM, okay, so this is the central class, okay, that will handle it everything in the, whatever be the activities related to the packing also. So you can delete a HU or you can pack, okay, everything into one HU to the another HU also. Or, okay, you can delete an HU also, or, okay, there is a method, okay, for that, okay, the set that, okay, the HU status also, okay. So you can just find a method, okay. What you can do is that, okay, change HU header attributes, okay. So here actually in that particular process header of that HU, okay, you just need to set that particular flag HU step to completed. Okay, so if you go to this particular thing, complete or completed, okay. So if you go to that, okay, the HU header, okay, the maintain, okay, attribute change, yeah, this is the one, okay, which it will call it, okay, and inside this particular thing, okay, in the header you can find that particular field also, HU step, okay, completed. Can you see here now? It will go for that, okay, the CS underscore HU header. This means, okay, the changing field of that, okay, the handling unit. Process step, okay, completed. I can just show you that thing. There are, okay, other methods also, okay, available, okay, which you can use it here. Okay, the storage process, handling unit type, okay, the storage process. Can you see here now?
Process step.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
see that.
Okay, so process step, okay, for that, okay, the HU completed. So if you just, okay, check this particular, okay, the checkbox, okay, inside, okay, that, okay, the CS underscore, okay, the HU handler, okay, the attribute change, okay. So just, okay, call this particular method, okay, in the of this class, okay. So that, okay, see, whatever actually I did is that I went to the RF and then, okay, just, okay, set that particular flag. So instead of that thing, okay, in that, okay, the work center, okay, there is a BAdI available. So in the work center BAdI, on the UI action, you just, okay, simply close the box also. This was a requirement, in fact. if you want it. But in general, okay, the common scenario is that, okay, system always expect that, okay, the person has to notify is that, okay, he has to close the box.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, otherwise, okay, what actually other option, okay, what we can do is that, okay, assuming that, okay, once he clicked it, okay, the pack, okay, repack and the deconsolidation, okay, is it clear now? In the RF, okay, I can propose this screen itself as a next screen to close the box. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Because RF is nothing but, okay, set up, okay, the logical screens also. So I can just propose a next screen, okay, to close the box so that, okay, he can verify everything and then he can simply press, okay, F2, okay, to close the box also. So because RF screens, okay, we can just, okay, change the sequence and, okay, whatever the way we like it also.
Okay, clear.
Okay, so in that case, actually, okay, we don't need of any custom development here. But he has to still, okay, we need to change the logical sequence of the screen logic and then, okay, we need to propose, okay, as a next screen to close the HU. Okay, so is it clear now? So now, okay, you should be able to look at to do the deconsolidation. So,
One more.
yeah,
Like the thing for a deconsolidation point of view. If I have one warehouse and for good I am getting a mono parcel. Mono parcel means one HU contain one item.
okay,
And further, like new HU's creation is not required.
okay.
So how can we do the same way that I will just go and scan the HU and can we complete the process?
So what
Yes,
is actually, first of all, the deconsolidation is required in this case actually?
No, there is not requirement deconsolidation.
Yeah, exactly. So if the deconsolidation is not at all required, okay, so first of all, you don't need to even send it to the deconsolidation.
Okay.
So, okay, yeah, let us take, okay, even that scenario also. So let us take the same case, okay, assuming that, okay, let us take, okay, that scenario also. So if I go to this, let us see that, okay, how the system behaves in this case. Assuming that, okay, I'm getting only, okay, the
Mono parcel
one,
means one,
yeah,
one item.
okay, yeah, okay, so I'm getting only, okay, the one of it, okay, in one single box. Okay, so system will create directly the IB03 task.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you just, okay, save it, because system now it will decide that, okay, the deconsolidation is not required, so it will not even propose that, okay, the IB02 task. So now 135 got created, so let us see that, okay, what the system do here. scwm / okay, the PRDI. Okay, 135. Let me put that over. Yeah, this, okay, is becoming a problem. Okay. Now, okay, for this thing, okay, this is the, okay, this is the HU and it contains only the one item only. So this is our HU. So this is our, okay, the new HU. Okay, so now if I just, okay, want to start, okay, the unload for this particular box. Sorry, I just need to select that line. Okay, select that line. Okay, just, okay, create, okay, the unload warehouse task, okay, complex. Now let us see that, okay, how many tasks, okay, it will created in this case. It will create 2 tasks, okay. So let us see in the monitor, okay, what are the tasks, okay, it got created it also. So if I just go to the monitor, okay, so I'm just putting my handling unit here, then just execute it here. Can you see here now? IB01 and then, okay, IB03. So let me confirm it here. The door to the GR zone. Now, in this case, actually the consolidation group is single, so it know that, okay. Can you see here now? IB02 is not getting created here. System actually directly opened, okay, that, okay, the GR zone to that, okay, the hard storage bin, okay, automatically. Okay, so is it clear now? So even, okay, in that case, okay, we can do that thing also. So system, okay, see, always, okay, check, yeah.
Automatically has keep, system has automatically skip from IB01 to IB03.
Yes.
Because there was a mono packing.
Yeah, because, okay, now system knows that, okay, because, okay, it will evaluate whether the deconsolidation is required or not. Okay, the deconsolidation is required, okay, in the general sense, okay, if two materials which are going to the two final locations where their consolidation groups are different. Okay, so that's why actually we have the activity area and the consolidation group, okay, which drives the scenario.
Okay.
Okay.
One more question.
Yeah.
Can you just repeat this?
See here, okay, whenever if the consolidation group, suppose in my case, okay, for the cold and as well as for the hot, okay, as the consolidation groups are too different for these activity areas, okay, so that's why, okay, system knows that, okay, the deconsolidation is necessary for these things.
Okay.
Srini, if you might have two line item and two boxes, so still IB01 and IB03 might have executed, right? Not
Yes,
IB02.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
But, okay, in that case actually, even what I can do is that, okay, for the deconsolidation, even I can say that, okay, let us say that, okay, I can put that, okay, the maximum weight also. Assuming that, okay, you got, okay, the quantity of 100 in one box only of 100 kgs. But assuming that, okay, we cannot handle it, okay, more than 50 kgs.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that case also, okay, we can specify that, okay, the reconciliation is required if it is more than 50 kilos.
Yeah, for a specific material or a specific HU or a specific.
No, it is actually a generic kind of thing only.
Okay, not for a material specific.
No, it's not a material specific. But still, if you want, you can make it as a material specific, okay, using the control indicators. Because, okay, if you put it as a control indicator, so that drives the process type.
Right.
And that process type, okay, you can link it to this thing, the storage process. Okay, so everything, okay, I can link it back, okay, if I want it, if the requirement is required.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Especially for a cross-dock items, I don't want to make a deconsolidation.
Yeah.
Because I'm knowing that this box will go to the customer within 1 hour.
Okay.
So means I have a one box contain 5 items.
Okay.
I want to just receive in my warehouse and then dispatch to the customer.
Okay. So in that case, actually, what actually you have to decide is that, okay, so if you go to that, okay, the SPRO, if you remember, now tell me that, okay, somebody, okay, we already covered this thing. How you can achieve the same thing? See, we did not cover the cross-docking as of yet, okay, but what actually his requirement is that, okay, assuming that, okay, from the door to the GR zone, okay, he received the goods, okay. Now, he don't want to actually, okay, move the goods, okay, from the GR zone, okay, to the deconsolidation here. Assuming that, okay, now the question to you, how much time you want to wait for the cross-docking?
Maybe 1-2 hours.
Exactly. Okay, so that is what, okay, we'll be covering it in that, okay, the once I start, okay, the picking, so I can just combine both pick and put away, because, okay, the cross-dock is nothing but, okay, I don't want to put inside the warehouse, but I just want to use it for the picking only, as simple as such. Okay, so we have a concept called as, okay, we have a concept called as, okay, the put away delay. Okay, so which you can configure. So whenever the put away delay is relevant, you can drive your picking process so that, okay, if any suitable stock is available, just pick it directly from here. And so if you configure that, okay, the put away delay, is it clear now?
Okay.
So system will not trigger that, okay, the IB02 task. Is it clear now?
Yeah, I got agree. But actually what we, something here is a time factor. Take
Sorry?
as example, agree is a time factor, correct?
Yep.
In some case, we don't want it a time factor. I want to put intentionally in one storage type, and we call it a cross-dock storage type.
Okay.
But my point, like sometimes you agree, like I will put from 902 area to directly the cross-dock point of view. My
Okay.
case is that I want to keep in my warehouse without any time limitation factor.
Okay. Is it like, okay, now question is that, okay, is it like a specific materials or you want to do it always the same way?
Not like, it's something like
Only one
mismatch.
time.
No, understand, like we cannot tell from material point of view.
Okay.
Sometimes it's like a material is coming in a box, and the cases is that like make to order, and I want to box keep as the same way. Sometimes like service parts are there.
Yeah.
Srini,
No, see,
I
every
want to-
requirement is possible here. See, if you want actually the cross dock, I can put, okay, the 24 hours or, okay, the whatever with the time also. See, there are two options now to you here. Okay. Once, okay, the goods, see, I'll tell you all the options, okay, then we'll get the answer from you only, okay. From the door to the GR zone, I can delay that, okay, my IB02 task for 2 hours. This is one option, option 1.
Yeah.
Okay, option 2, okay, don't create, okay, IB02 automatically. How can I achieve this thing? Don't create IB02 automatically. So in my process oriented storage control, if you remember, okay, we have a checkbox. Next step automatically.
Okay.
Okay, so if I uncheck the particular checkbox, IB02 step, okay, it will not create automatically. I have to, okay, create, okay, I have to move the box manually from GR zone to decon manually using the transaction, okay, ad hoc HU.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
It's clear, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah. So these are the two options, okay, that should be sufficient to your requirement.
Yeah, I think it's it will meet the requirement. Yeah.
Okay.
or Srini, we can do like this also. When the particular cross-dock is coming, we can create a different delivery types, and for a
Yeah,
particular delivery types, you can move out.
Yep.
yeah, I mean, one is opportunistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, one is opportunistic and one is planned.
Yes.
We can plan delivery, we can create it so that we can that one the cross-dock, planned cross-dock.
See that delivery
Or else
document type, that delivery document type which you are talking, that is a
That
planned
drives
cross-docking. If I know that, okay,
Yes.
my planning system, whether it may be APO or it may be external planning system, knows that, okay, the stock is available in the GR zone, which they should not keep it in
So
the
that we can
warehouse.
keep-
Yes, that actually you can always say that, okay, the stock has to be picked up from this location.
Yeah. Then the
Yeah.
GR zone to it goes cross-dock.
Okay, now there was a client requirement, okay, earlier, okay, he want to check for the cross-docking till the deconsolidation also. Suppose, okay, even, okay, the boxes may be lying even at the deconsolidation station. So assuming that, okay, at runtime, okay, when they got, okay, some requirement, okay, for the picking of that quantity, if there is any suitable box even lying at the deconsolidation station also, it has to be picked up.
I mean, we can bring that for the deconsolidation for putting the labels as well for the customers.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that step we can do that.
Yeah. So these kind of, okay, see, these are all like, okay, the permutation combinations, okay, just by, okay, the changing the flavors, okay, you can achieve the business requirement here. Okay, so that's why it's very flexible here. Now, if you want to, okay, configure.
Yeah, I'm asking more questions, like, okay,
No problem.
Something. Think for a case like I am in good receipt area, I want to make a planning.
Sorry?
Planning point of view, understand, like what happened, I am getting IBD by ASN, like something XI is coming.
Okay.
I dock and all.
Yep.
So I know for today is Wednesday, Thursday I know like this material will come to my warehouse.
Okay.
And I want to minimize my time. So in the night shift, what I will do, I will make HU label also.
HU labels, right?
I think a case like means example is that I have a one box containing 5 HU.
Okay.
And I want to make a planning so that like, I can minimize my printing time.
Okay. So what we have the functionality is that, okay, but in that case actually what kind of H2 labels you want to do? Do you know already the packing material what you are going to do?
I think
Yes,
it's already
all separate boxes.
Yeah, we know the packing material. I think we can configure now as for what is material, what is the packing material.
Okay, so see what you can do is that you can always go to a packing work center and then you can generate the labels. There's not an issue. You can create as many HUs you like it.
Okay, HUs got created, but it will not link with the material, correct?
Yes, it will not be linked to the delivery, or okay, it will not be linked to the delivery.
So it's like a blanket HU, correct? Like it's.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but there is no use. There's something for a box like when I'm putting HU label on the box, I can have to do only I can do a printing time, correct?
See, okay, I'll tell you that. Okay, what are all the options actually we have it. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, the basic questions. Okay, do you have that ASN or not?
I have ASN.
No, if you have ASN means okay, you already have inbound delivery.
Correct. Yes.
In the system.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have already the inbound delivery, you can always link it that okay the HU and then okay you can link it to that particular materials or whatever you like it. Because the document is available in the system.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now you don't have the inbound delivery, the other question. Okay, because okay, you will never know that okay when the vendor is going to send the ASN to you.
We cannot plan it. Like generally, we feel it's always IBD is required, right?
Yeah. So if you don't even have the inbound delivery, okay, what actually okay we have that functionality in available is that okay we have something called as okay the EGR. Okay, expected okay the goods receipts. Is it clear now? So you can plan it, okay, you can plan it, okay, based on the, okay, the purchase orders. So it will create, okay, the pseudo kind of, okay, the expected goods receipt so that, okay, you can even plan your warehouse activities also. Okay, so once you create a purchase order, okay, in ECC, okay, now you can even, okay, the request that, okay, what are all the purchase orders, okay, expected, okay, to be delivered tomorrow. And then, okay, based on this thing, okay, even you can plan your labor management activities also.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so this is, okay, the based on that, okay, the purchase documents. So if you have the ASN, you can plan it properly based on that, okay, the inbound delivery. Even if you don't even have a ASN, okay, you can plan it, okay, based on that, okay, the purchasing documents also. So this should be sufficient, okay, for the any business requirement.
That's like understand my point is that something like the flow is very high, and we want to minimize the processing time.
Processing time means what?
Something like maybe a task is getting created, then label is getting printed, and everything is ready, and just maybe like I'm getting my box, and then okay, I have my parent HU number.
Yep. See that all okay. It will be printed okay on the fly okay immediately. It will not take okay even a second okay to print it.
No, SAP have a limitation for that.
No, which one?
For label printing and all, it is taking much time.
No, it depends on, see here, okay, it depends on, okay, what kind of, okay, the label and what kind of printer you are using it. From SAP, okay, once that, okay, the HU got created, okay, it will just, okay, you can see that, okay, the spool, okay, it will come within seconds only. And then, okay, from the spool, okay, to the printer, okay, we'll have a limitation that, okay, the spool server, okay, how much it can dispatch it to the printers.
Yeah. That's why people are like normal calculation for a printing for SAP is like 1 hour gone for activity point of sometimes taking 7 to 8 seconds. And just operator is waiting for that label getting label.
See, that actually, okay, depends on, okay, you may be using a Adobe document server for printing also, or you may be using a Zebra printer, okay, for the printing. So it all depends on, okay, that what kind of, suppose assuming that it's just a flat file only or just dropping it to the bartender. It comes within seconds only.
When talking about the hardware point of view, very slight variation, maybe 0.012 second point, that's maximum variation we have with the hardware. But really the time consumed by 95 and 98% time consumed by SAP itself.
For the HU printing?
Anything, something like I gone for a screen and then I want to write my label.
Okay.
Without label, I cannot further proceed. Correct?
Yeah.
This is a challenge for us sometimes.
Usually, actually, I handled it in the warehouses. Okay, even they deliver it like okay, the one full truckload also. So I know that okay, even for a truckload, maybe like okay, the 2,000 items. Okay, it takes only like 20 minutes. So it depends on okay whether the system is tuned properly or not. I can say.
No, I understand, like saying we talk about the truck point of view. Maybe you have a truck, and number of variation is very less.
Okay.
And in WM, at least I think we'll go for like a good receipt process also, correct?
Yeah.
And what about the EWM? Like your system is going for further doing pre-WM. I think it's first complete the WM, and then I will be doing a good receipt, correct? In the ECC, correct?
No.
When it is happening in EWM, good receipt.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you
I'm new
missed
to
it.
EWM, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay. So in the EWM, okay, see here, okay, once you have that, okay, the delivery, you will be doing the GR directly in EWM only. Okay, you will not be doing the, okay, the GR, okay, in ECC. Okay, so once you do the GR in EWM, then the communication only will go back to ECC. Okay, so ECC, once the delivery got created it, okay, ECC do not bother about the delivery at all.
Okay, correct.
Is it clear?
That's clear.
Okay, so you will not even okay doing anything in ECC. ECC just acts as only a driver system only, not at all any execution of the activities.
Okay.
Okay, so once the goods automatically move to the GR zone, the GR okay happening is yeah.
It's maintaining inventory, just ERP is just maintaining inventory, right? Nothing else, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that answers your question, Satya?
I think it's clear, yeah.
Okay. So maybe that okay the performance and how much the time it takes the label and all those things, right? There is a something available as a quick sizer project available in SAP Marketplace. There actually you can check it okay how much time it you can see that okay the KPIs for each of the business transaction also.
Yeah.
Okay, so most of the times okay it is satisfactory I can say. Okay, so next thing okay what actually in the next chapter okay what I want to do is that okay I just want to okay link the deliveries okay to the transportation unit also, so that okay I just want to create a truck and then okay want to assign my deliveries okay to this particular truck and then okay want to start okay the unload activities okay using the truck also. Okay, so once this is done okay I just want to okay use okay the batch management also. Okay, so for that okay our query okay I just want to okay manage it okay using okay some 3 to 4 batches and then okay want to store okay that particular okay the batch managed material. Is it clear now? So once this is done okay next thing is that okay we can use okay the VAS activities okay in the next chapters okay the value added services also we can use it okay assuming that okay for the queries okay I just want to okay add okay some whatever with the ingredient and then okay want to save it also. Before okay if I want to store them okay I just want to okay let's take that okay I want to do that them as a pasteurization also and then I want to store them. So any activities okay I can do this thing, or okay I can make them as okay the kit to stock also. Suppose like okay what I want to do is that okay I just want to okay store like okay the plus okay the fork as okay I just want to construct as a kit okay so that okay I can sell them okay together, salt plus okay the one fork plus okay and one pepper packet also. So this okay the I can put it in the kit to stock scenario also. So whatever the way okay we just want to do it and then okay I just want to add okay the quality inspection QIS. Okay, so these are the things okay which we can do it in the inbound side. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, so is deconsolidation is clear to everyone? So now you should be, can you just try that okay
Srini,
what I want to do is that everything in the
Srini, one more question. What about that rearrangement and slacking? That also part of inbound, right?
It's not only that okay the inbound okay it depends on even the outbound also. It's a combination. Slotting means okay finding the right storage bin only. suppose let us take this thing, okay, I am always, okay, picking a particular good, okay, the velocity of the picking is more. So where you want to store the goods?
Okay.
Nearest to the door only. So the slotting is always, okay, not only on the inbound, it is based on the outbound also.
Okay.
Okay, so basically
What about that rearrangement?
the rearrangement means, okay, moving the goods from one location to another location based on the slotting results only.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, okay, so now let's go to that, yeah.
For a slotting point of view, when we talk about the picking, how it is impact?
The picking velocity.
Okay.
Suppose, okay, let's take that, okay, the one material, okay, you have, okay, it's a fast moving item.
Correct, okay.
So you want to consider that thing, okay, when you are determining your slotting results.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Could you tell me like what is slotting? That's like a concept point of view.
Okay. Okay, slotting means, okay, that, okay, finding the right storage concept.
Okay.
Okay, slotting means, okay, it's a storage concept, okay, for the material. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take this thing, okay, that, okay, in the winter, okay, let's take this thing, okay, in the winter, okay, all the winter clothes, okay, will be the fast moving goods.
Correct, agree.
Okay, maybe in that, okay, the summer goods, okay, maybe this thing. So, in the winter, okay, all these fast moving goods, okay, my putaway control indicator has to be proposed so that, okay, the bins, okay, it has to propose the bins, okay, near to the doors so that, okay, the picking should, okay, the picker actually should travel for less distance in this winter, for the winter clothing goods.
Okay, clear.
Is it clear now?
It's very clear, yeah.
Okay, so that's why, okay, that, okay, so assuming that, okay, the warehouse, okay, activities, okay, will be keep on changing it.
Okay.
So the system always, okay, has to find that, okay, the right bin so that, okay, it has to minimize the cost for my warehouse operation.
Okay.
So the total, okay, the travel distance calculated by the workers in the warehouse, it has to be minimal always.
Okay.
Or the number of requests, okay, to handle a particular operation.
Okay.
And as well as, okay, the space also has to be minimized.
Okay.
So putting right goods at the right place.
Okay.
So that's the slotting. It's
Means
basically
that
a
like,
mathematical algorithm to minimize the cost.
Okay. The point is that like slotting means like as per the season and maybe as per system configuration, you can put it's a dynamic.
It's not as per the system configuration, I can say. It's based on the execution, system has to propose it.
Srini, how the system is going to propose? We have to configure the system, right?
No, how the system is going to propose means, okay, daily, see, you will be putting that, okay, consider these factors only.
Yeah, okay.
But how the
On the
system knows the
condition
data,
reports.
yeah, see, how the system knows is that, okay, it has to evaluate the current load of your system, right? Okay, how many pick tasks are available for that, how many pick tasks got executed in this month, okay, or over the week actually, how many pick tasks got executed for this material. So that you can decide that, okay, whether it is actually a fast moving item or whether it is a slow moving item. See, usually, okay, if you go to that, okay, the material master in SCM, I'll just show you that, okay, there are two fields. Usually, okay, we update, okay, the slotting results, okay, from the planning system, but still if you want it, okay, we can run the, okay, yes, not a full-fledged slotting, okay, you can do it in SCM, but you can do it in the planning system. I'll just show you. If you go to the product, master data, okay, so if you just go to this product data, if you go to the warehouse data, you should be able to find, okay,
This is
can you see
slotting
here
tab.
now? Okay, so the demand quantity and, okay, the number of, okay, the items, okay, the picking velocity also. So based on this thing, okay, it has to even propose that, okay, the what is the required, okay, the storage quantity also. Okay, so let us take this example that, okay, in winter, okay, see here, okay, in the winter, okay, for a particular goods, okay, I have, okay, the 30 pick request, okay, per day. Okay, whereas in the same summer, okay, for the same goods, okay, I have only, okay, the 5 pick request, okay, per day also. Okay, now the picker, okay, assuming that, okay, he's traveling, okay, 30 times, okay, to pick this goods, okay, to a different location. He may be traveling a long distance also. So always, okay, move this goods so that, okay, which are, okay, the nearest to the door, so that, okay, he can serve, okay, the more number of picks, okay, in the winter. Is it clear now? Or, okay, same thing, okay, I can do like this thing also. One pick actually, see here, one pick is costing, okay, as a $1.5, $3 for me. Okay, now to store the goods actually, okay, it's putting like, okay, the $1 for me. Okay, and as well as, okay, that, okay, to actually, okay, if I just say, okay, so store the goods means, okay, this is the one. And then, okay, to do the replenishment also, assuming that, okay, it is, okay, the $50, okay, I'm getting it from a different bin also. So you have to always, okay, the minimize, okay, the assuming that, okay, you are getting, okay, the n number of picks, okay, like, okay, x1 is the number of picks, okay, into 3 plus to store the goods, assuming that, okay, I'm just, okay, if I increase the stock means, okay, the quantity, okay, it will be high. So x2 into 1 plus, okay, the replenishment, okay, each time, okay, if I do the replenishment, okay, x3 number of times, okay, x3 into 50. So the system has to propose a quantity so that this minimize of this particular value. I think some of you may be some MBA background.
If we can understand it, it's like okay, like no problem.
Huh?
It's clear to us. It's clear to me.
Okay. So some of you, okay, have you worked on this kind of things, okay? So what is that, okay, maybe it's the same kind of concept like economic order quantity. Have you heard of this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so same way with respect to the warehouse, okay, see economic order quantity, we just only bother about that, okay, the quantity versus, okay, the price only. Okay, here actually the warehouse operations, the cost has to be minimized. So how the warehouse cost operation can be minimized is that, okay, I can reduce that, okay, the picker traveling time and the number of replenishments, and as well as, okay, the stock keeping, okay, the stock. Suppose, okay, instead of, okay, putting the stock in multiple locations, if I just put it at one location, so that, okay, if it is a temperature, I don't need to maintain 10 refrigerators also. I can move the stock, okay, to one location only. Is it clear now? So at the end, actually, my warehouse has to operate it very efficiently. Okay, so it's a kind of, okay, these kind of mathematics, it will run it in the background, and then the system actually, okay, it will propose, okay, the planned put away control indicators. So that, okay, it will next time onwards, whenever the goods are coming it will drive to those particular storage locations.
Just really want to understand it. You have
Sorry?
to change the master. Correct?
Sorry?
For new picking a put away strategy point of view, we have to go and change the master data, correct?
No. That's what, when you run the slotting, system will propose these indicators and then you can go and, okay, save them.
The system is going to propose it.
Exactly.
Okay, good.
Okay, that's what it's okay. It will help you, okay, to do the plan your activities so that, okay, you can minimize the cost.
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
I'm just supporting you. You know always.
And don't need me. Next time we'll tell you that.
Okay. So,
Sled.
is it clear now? Okay, so tomorrow, okay, we'll start with that, okay, the TU activities. Okay, so we'll create a transportation unit. So it's very simple only. We just need to define a means of transport and define the number ranges for the transportation unit, and then, okay, we'll activate, okay, a simple add also if required. Okay, so that, okay, I can just add, okay, the check-in and then, okay, the checkout of the truck also.
So, Srini, this TO is nothing but a yard management, right?
It's actually, you can use it, okay, if you want it, you can use it with ad management. Otherwise, you can just continue without ad management also.
Okay, so we will.
See, usually,
we will
okay, usually if you have a parking lot and then, okay, you want to assign a parking lot number to the truck, okay, before you are getting into the door, then you can use the ad management. Okay, usually it will be available in very big warehouses. Otherwise, you can still continue without using ad management also. It's not a mandatory thing, okay. You need to use it if you want to use a TU.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it's a very simple thing only. See, ad management is also just like you need to create a bins, and then you need to assign them to the check-in and check-out points only. That nothing else actually. You just need to create a storage type with the role of ad only. Apart from that, okay, it's not going to affect you anything.
Okay. Okay. So I guess once we have that transportation unit configuration without the yard management, you're saying it should be okay. It should be very easy to implement the yard management.
Yeah, ad management just like only the 4 configuration nodes only. You just need to enable a storage type with the ad role, and you just need to enable the ad management for your warehouse. That's the only thing. Okay, you can do it.
Okay.
And then one process type for the ad movements within the parking lot only.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Okay, so and remember that in the ad management, the storage type, you cannot move the stock. You need to move only the TUs only.
Right.
And TU movements will only any stock type.
TU means it's a transportation unit, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a transportation unit. It's a truck.
Okay.
And Srini, do you have any documentation on the TUs, yard management, and RF?
RF actually we don't do multiple activities. Usually we only put the assigning the TU to the door only. We'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, that's the only activity. And then what we can do is a check in and check out of the truck only. We can do it.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from that,
so I'm saying like a simple config doc or something.
Yeah. Okay. See, for this deconsolidation. Okay. See. Yeah. Till this, the complex inbound for this till that combination with TU, I have the detailed documentation. I'll just send it to you.
Okay.
Okay. So for the whole of this thing, whatever we discussed it, for till today date for the inbound side, we have a detailed document.
Okay.
But the only thing is that you have to practice it. Otherwise, a lot of variations. You need to think it that if this is a variation, how I can configure it. So then that helps it. If you only do the practicing only, because the standard document covers only for the vanilla kind of thing only.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
That's absolutely right.
Correct.
Okay. So
no, we are practicing it, and I guess everybody else is also doing the same.
Okay.
So one question here.
Yeah.
We got some access from the Hyderabad, but it's not. I think we cannot do any practice there, correct?
I'm not sure, but our other team members are actually doing their thing, but I don't know which server you are practicing it also.
I'm not sure that. Like yesterday, I checked, nothing was there. Though, point is that.
No, you have to create everything.
No, forget about. I will create for my thing, but people are telling I'm doing the practice. So, like, can we see some task we have created in anything or in the Hyderabad server?
I don't know actually. Okay, which server actually they are also using? I think they may be using their own servers if I'm correct.
It's a big challenge. I was checking the data was there. Even for Hyderabad, something like supply chain unit was not assigned and.
No, just check it in the warehouse of some other's warehouse. You just simply go to the table. SEWM or DIMC. Just check some activities, maybe for past 2-3 days. Somebody else may be configured in their own warehouses.
Just hold. What is the table name?
SCWM/ORDIMC. ORDIM_C. Okay, I'll just type it out here. SCWM/ORDIM_C. That contains the warehouse task, which got confirmed in the system. So just check that in which warehouse the activities are happening so that you can see that the config of them. Okay. So can you just try till today date what I want to do everything is that the whole deconsolidation and the final put away, I just want to do everything through RF only. So you have to define the activity areas and the queue determination, everything. So just try to do everything with what I want to do is that just try to create 3 to 4 resources. You can just create a resource, So a different resource actually will do the unload, and also a different resource actually will go and do the deconsolidation, and a different resource actually will go and do the final put away also. So 3 different resources also. Later actually what we can do is that among these 3 resources we can use the labor management planning also. So how many workers are required to do the unloading and how many workers are doing the put away, what time actually they can complete it. We can even evaluate the performance of these workers also. Okay, so I'm just closing for today. So just practice till this thing so we can just start with TU onwards,
Okay, Srini. Thank you.
And then, okay, I want to talk about, okay, tomorrow for the TU. And then, okay, if somebody is actually not very good with the batch management, so just refer yourself that, okay, what is a batch management and what is a characteristic and a class, because, okay, I may not cover the very basics of what is a characteristic and what is a class also.
Okay.
Okay, so if somebody is actually not a, if there may be other functional consultants, okay, just look for what is a batch management, okay?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah. Have a good
Thanks,
day.
Rene. Yeah.
No problem.
Good night, Srini.
Good night. Yeah.
Srini?